Welcome to WebStylePress. Do you know many WordPress plugins and themes are just using obsolete or old code? They have not been updated for a long time. With the update to WordPress 5.5, a jQuery migration tool for WordPress known as jQuery Migrate was no longer enabled by default. This may lead to lacking functionality or unexpected behavior in some themes or plugins that run older code. With the update to WordPress 5.6, the included version of jQuery is also upgraded. This means that old code that previously caused warnings now may instead cause errors or stop working entirely. Some of the old features no longer working will just stop working behind the scenes without any apparent problem. So problem here is old broken plugins or themes. We can fix it by enabling jQuery Migrate tool. To enable jQuery Migrate, go to Plugins and search for Enable jQuery Migrate Helper. Add New. This one. Install now. Activate. From Tools, go to Plugin Settings, jQuery Migrate. From here, you can select older version of jQuery. You can also choose to allow website visitors to trigger an automatic downgrade to legacy jQuery if this plugin detects a failure. In the background, this plugin enables the migration script for your site to revive your old plugins and themes that may be broken. It will fix broken plugins that have not been updated for a while. Plugins that are old but still serve your need. This plugin will let you downgrade to a previous version of jQuery to fix broken WordPress plugins. But as a site administrator, you are encouraged to get the underlying issue fixed and upgrade plugins and themes. If a plugin is not getting updated, I encourage you to find the alternative plugin because sometimes old plugins are also security risks. So if you have got an older plugin with broken functionality, try jQuery Migrate Helper plugin. In most cases, it solves the problem. Okay, I hope this video helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.